Hello, hello, hello again. It's a great day. Well, actually, it's evening, and I wanted to do a short video for you. If you're having problems warming up, or you're having problems with a voice and it's tired, this is good for warming up, cooling down, nice and slow and easy. I'm going to take you through it. So we're going to be here. It depends on your range, how high this might be for you. It might not be high at all, but for some of you it's going to be. So take it slow and nice and easy, especially if your voice is in trouble, you've tired your voice out. Let a little air before the tone, like an H. An H will bring the vocal folds together easily. Okay, here we go. Easy and light, breathe. Think high off the roof. Now, if the voice is breaking on you, then you might try the video again, starting, and rotate the tongue in the front, okay? And do a yawn. A yawn is a vocal stretch. See if the voice will clear up, but remember, don't push it. Don't get really loud on that high note. Okay, let's start this again. Nice and easy. Light and easy. Notice I'm not pushing at all. Light. Don't close the throat. Don't close the mouth. Big breath. Slow. Right in here. Keep it light. Soft, easy. That's right. There you go. Very soothing to the vocal folds. Let the chest voice come in very easily. Don't push it. Keep it light. Keep it very, very light. Off the roof of the mouth. Now notice I could go ah, but I'm not doing that loud sound. Even up here. Don't push into that loud sound. Let's start from here. Remember, you're easing the muscles out of any tension. Light and easy. Keep the mouth open. Two more. Very nice. This can be very soothing. Sometimes you've worked your voice really hard. It might be after exercising or after singing a hard song. And you just need something to be soothing for you. This would be great. Don't push at the top. Don't push in the middle. Don't push at the end. Okay? No pushing. All right, I'm going to hope that you're going to subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what problems you might have. I got solutions, I promise. Okay, have a wonderful rest of the day. Sing, sing, sing. It's what we love. Okay? And it's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fun day. Bye, 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 bye.